Hello viewers, hope you all are doing well. Myself Arisha from Medipack Technologies. This is the part 3 of autoclave, and as I told you, we will discuss in this part about the working process of autoclave. So, the medical instruments are loaded into the chamber and the door is securely locked. The sterilization cycle is selected from the control panel. High pressure steam is generated and fills the chamber with heat and pressure, which destroys all the microorganisms during the holding time. After drying, the cycle ends and sterile instruments are ready for use. Now, if we go through the detailed process, so let me tell you what is the detailed process through points. First, loading of instruments. Before sterilization, instruments are properly cleaned, dried, and packed. They are then placed on stainless steel trays inside the autoclave chamber, ensuring proper spacing for steam circulation. The second step is door locking and cycle selection. In the second step, after loading the instruments, the door is closed using the automatic safety interlock system. And the sterilization cycle is selected from the digital control panel based on the type of load. The third step is called as air removal and steam generator. The autoclave generates high pressure saturated steam. Air inside the chamber is removed, allowing steam to penetrate all surfaces of the instrument evenly. The fourth step is called as sterilization, also called as holding phase. The chamber reaches the required temperature and pressure, usually between 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius. During this holding time, heat and pressure effectively destroys bacteria, viruses, fungi, and spores. At the fifth phase, which is called as exhaust and drying phase. After sterilization, steam is exhausted and a drying phase begins. This removes moisture from the instruments, prevents contamination and corrosion. At last but not the least, cycle completion. Documentation. Once the cycle complete, pressure returns to zero and the door unlocks safely. And at the end, the built-in thermal printer prints the cycle data. As I told you, the thermal printer prints the cycle report. For which purpose? For documentation and quality control. So this is the detailed process of Autoclave ACS 300. In the next part, we will discuss about the components of Autoclave ACS 300. Thank you.